Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now Merdeka is just around the corner and HONOR is launching a brand new colorway for their Magic 5 Pro device. This is called the Coral Purple and it also comes with this very nice vegan leather back panel. So in today's video, what we're going to do is a very quick unboxing and then we'll just give you a very quick spec recap to refresh your memory on what this flagship from HONOR has to offer. Let's begin today's video right away. Alright, so now that we are done with the unboxing, just a very quick recap on the HONOR Magic 5 Pro here. Basically, this phone is actually very strong performing here in Malaysia. I mean, it has been the top 3 brands after just 3 years of entering the Malaysian market and it's just behind Apple and Samsung. So HONOR is really taking their flagship game very seriously. Other than that, they've also gained a lot of recognition on DXOMark, not just for their cameras, the display and the battery. So let's go through the very quick spec recap now to give you a refresh on what the Magic 5 Pro has to offer. Now first and foremost, let's talk a bit about those cameras at the back. Now the key feature of the cameras on the Magic 5 Pro is all about that millisecond Falcon capture that is able to use AI to capture the exact moment where you want it to be. So say for example, you're out and about, you're jumping around and you want to capture a shot but you don't have anybody to help you out with that. The Magic 5 Pro with its Falcon camera here is actually able to capture it on its own and give you the perfect shot. Other than that, in terms of the numbers at the back, we do have a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a 50 megapixel telephoto lens, which again I've been using for the past few months now, and it has still been proven to be one of the best in the market today. If you are looking for a flagship camera, this is where you are going to get it. Now moving on to the front, let me just recap on the display here. We do have a very large display. This is actually 6.81 inches. You have a curved display and more importantly, it's LTPO OLED. That means that it's going to be saving more power for you, even if you're going to be using the display a lot. Now, of course, HONOR has always been known for their eye protection tech, and it is no different in here. We do have that 2160Hz PWM dimming that will reduce the flickers to your eyes. We also have the circadian night display and of course the dynamic dimming to make everything very comfortable to view and also protect your eyes a little bit more. But yes, a very stunning display at the front. It's also 120Hz refresh rate in case you are wondering. Now moving on to the battery side of things, HONOR has also been very strong with their battery life on the Magic 5 Pro. We have here a very large 5100 mAh battery in this rather slim, I would say, form factor. We also get that 66 watt supercharge from HONOR that is able to take the device from 0 to 80% in just 37 minutes. So again, very quick charging here on this device as well. Now last but not least, maybe we should just talk very quickly about the design, the new design. Personally, I think this is the best design for the Magic 5 Pro series because the vegan leather is just so much nicer to touch. The green version, I remember, had a matte back panel. The black version had a glossy back panel, and this one here is the best because it's just giving you a soft touch feel and it just makes the phone very much more premium. So with that said, that pretty much wraps up our very quick look with the Coral Purple version of the Magic 5 Pro. Again, with Merdeka around the corner, HONOR is actually reducing the price of their flagship. It's only going to be RM3999 and you're going to be able to get the HONOR Magic 5 Pro with that 12GB RAM and 512GB large storage. Other than that, HONOR will be throwing a couple of, having a couple of competitions as well. You should check out the links down below if you want to participate in any of them. Oh, before I go, it's also worth mentioning that the HONOR Pad X9 is also now available in the market. In my opinion, it is actually one of the most affordable LTE powered tablet that you can actually buy. It's only slightly more than 1,000 ringgit, and with that LTE on board, you're able to be online anywhere. And again, like I said, it's a very affordable tablet. You're going to be able to use that large screen estate to just, show things to your friends, your clients and all that. Maybe even use it as a tablet for your studies. So yeah, a very affordable tablet, the HONOR Pad X9 LTE. Now with that said, thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end. Don't forget to drop a like and sub to the channel if you want to see more content like this, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye.